So hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial from a lesson every day. Today I'm going to share with you how to install SSL certificates. Of course, SSL certificates are for a website's security. When someone visits your website and this is HTTPS, it means that your website is secure and the connections are secure to your website, okay, from the computer of the client, for instance, or the user. So we need to buy or to install for free. Sometimes if you want free SSL certificates, you need to, for instance, buy your domain or your host from a website which provides free SSL certificates. Okay, for instance, Namecheap, you have free SSL certificates for 1 year. They are provided by Komodo company. Now, I'm using free SSL here because I am using Namecheap myself. So here, how to install them? You go to, of course, to your cpanel. Okay, whatever your website is. If you are using cpanel, of course, go to your website and then write cpanel dot or your website, and then you log in to your cpanel. Go to where is SSL, sorry, yes, you can check the status. I have already installed them. You can there are a lot of ways to install SSL certificates, but sometimes they are very complex and they really make you hate the whole thing. So you click, okay, don't click SSL TLS status unless, of course, they will just tell you that there are no certificates if you click this one. So let's go to SSL certificates. If you want to buy certificates, normally you give the person or the company which will send you certificates one of the following requests, or the private key maybe. Okay, so you just click here if you want to get certificates. Okay, they take the code and then they generate certificates based on the code that you will get. Alright, we may try it here and check how to do it. Okay, of course you will use you will leave the whole thing the way it is. Add your domain, your city, state, country, and then generate a key. That key you can take it to the third part that will generate your certificates, the one of course from which you will get it for free or buy. Let's go back. Of course, I have already generated certificates from provider. Okay, if you obtain certificates from a trusted SSL provider, okay, of course you need to take this password, the code here, certificates sign in request. Okay, take it to a provider. Okay, you must complete the certificate sign in request to provide the needed to generate your SSL certificates. Nice. So you take the generated key to a provider. Nice. I have already did that. I took it to Komodo SSL for 1 year for free. I'll upload uh, 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 to my, okay. So here you come to of course CTR. Okay, your CTR. Let me try that again. You come to CTR upload. Okay, upload. You can copy the text that they will send you to your email. Okay, most of the time they use the website email, not your personal email, but it's better if you ask them to send them to your personal email. Then you can copy the text and save, and then the the certificates will be generated for your website. Once you copy the code, okay, they will generate the name and so on. But if you want to upload, if you have them as a zip file and you want to upload them, you just upload certificates here and choose them. Okay, okay, right. And upload them, and then you have to just choose the two files that you have here. These two files of course will be sent to your website once you ask a provider, and you provide the key to the provider of the certificates. And once the provider validated the ownership of your website and that you own that website, they will send you an email with the certificates and a certificate code which you can use instead of the SSL zip file. Okay, so there are two ways. Either you copy the code that they will send you to your email, or you upload these two files. Again, how can you do that? You go to your cpanel, upload certificates here, okay, and then you upload. If you have the generated code, you can just copy it and save, and then you will have a HTTPS installed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them on comments, and goodbye.